Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about the dead air mask. This is a rimfire can. I'm just going to show you how you take it apart. In the box, they give you this little handy dandy front cap tool. You see the front cap has little notches cut out that correspond to the tool. You get those started in there, and then you just undo it. So unscrew the front cap. Got the front cap there. And depending on how it is, when it's really dirty, you may have to use a wooden dowel or something to push the baffle stack out. But after that, you can take the mount off, unscrew that. So that's where the threading is. And you put the first baffle in there. Clean the tube out, make sure there's no big debris in there. And then your baffle stack basically all comes apart like so. It's the only ones that even matter for position is your very first one that goes into the mount, your first primary baffle, and you can tell the difference in your primary baffle versus your standard ones. See, they got the holes cut out in the end here versus not. So you just start there, work your way down with regular ones, and then your very last one doesn't have a tab on the front, and it's another style like that. So basically, you're just sandwiching them between those. And you'll see they all have these little tabs right there. So that locks in. So it orients it, locks it, keeps it next to the other one. So pretty simple. You just kind of build your way down, locking them into the ones before it. I actually find it a little bit easier to do it where I can see it. And then you just keep building. And that is essentially your baffle stack. I'll stick that just like that. I'm actually gonna put that on there. Get this cap on here. I don't know if there's a right way or a wrong way to do this, but I basically slide the whole thing in and then just tighten the mount. So now the mount is flush, tightened. Then I take the end cap, start it. And then when it gets close, I use the tool to finish it off. You can't make contact with the post to the tube here. It does, when you snug it up, there's still a little bit of a gap there, so you're not gonna scratch anything up. And that is it. That is your dead air mask, fully assembled and disassembled and reassembled.